Ever stared at a blank canvas, ready to design but felt totally stuck? Like no ideas, just pressure and the clock ticking. Yeah, it's brutal. Today we are diving into some amazing portfolio websites that will get you fired up. The goal of this video is simple to show you what's possible. If you're looking to get noticed as a designer, these websites will give you the inspiration you need to revamp your portfolio and stand out from the crowd. And all you have to do is stick around till the end because I've got something extra cool to share with you that could take your portfolio to the next level. Hi, I'm Shreya, founder of Rice Design Studio, a digital product design studio based in India. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been with me for a while, you know I'm all about learning from the best. After all, as the saying goes, there's nothing new under the sun. Everything we create is in some way influenced by what we have seen or experienced before. Copying or rather emulating great design work isn't about stealing ideas. It's about learning techniques, styles, and structures that help you break out of that initial creative block. It's a way to get started and avoid being paralyzed by the endless possibilities of a blank canvas. Let's dive into some amazing portfolio inspirations that's going to change the way you think about showcasing your work. Let's start with JK's portfolio, a fantastic example of how simplicity can make a bold statement. From the moment you land on JK's site, you see exactly what he's about: web and mobile design. JK's homepage is free of distractions. A small, friendly photo introduces him, and just below that, you see his case studies, the heart of his portfolio. There's no fluff, it's all about his work. One delightful detail is how he lists the cities he's lived in, crossing out previous locations and highlighting his current base in Manchester. It's a subtle but effective way of adding personality. His contact me button is impossible to miss. It's bold, visually engaging, and ensures that anyone interested in working with him knows exactly where to go. Without even opening his case studies, you can see the impact of his work. Outcome metrics like user engagement and project results are right there. This makes his portfolio both scannable and compelling. JK's case studies are clean and minimal, with clear sections outlining the what, why, and how of his projects. It's all about making these things easy for the viewer, whether they're skimming or diving deep. The lesson learned here is simplicity wins. Showcase your work and its impact upfront, and let your portfolio be effortless to navigate. From JK's minimalist approach, let's move on to Oliver's portfolio, which takes a problem solving and user research driven approach. Oliver's portfolio is a must see for UX and product designers. Currently a product designer at Nevermind, he excels at showcasing his ability to identify and solve user problems. Every case study begins with a clear problem statement, like how a nurse searching for jobs ended up being recommended irrelevant roles. Instantly, you understand the context and the challenge he tackled. Oliver takes you through his process from identifying user pain points through surveys to validating the problem with data. One standout example is how he redesigned the job recommendation system to show users where suggestions came from, building trust and improving satisfaction. Each case study ends with measurable results like a 22% increase in clicks and an 8% rise in user satisfaction. Where JK's portfolio teaches us the importance of clarity, Oliver reminds us that great design starts with understanding the user and solving real problems. The biggest lesson learned here is center your work around solving problems and highlight the tangible results your designs have achieved. Now let's switch gears a bit. If JK's and Oliver's portfolios are about clarity and problem solving, Ram's portfolio is a celebration of personality and creativity. It's a reminder that your portfolio isn't just a showcase of your work, it's a reflection of who you are as a designer. Ram uses beautiful art and playful typography to create a visually unique experience. The way he has added a message in Hindi too adds a touch of fun and personality. His cursor changes dynamically, providing subtle guidance like scroll or see project. Ram ensures his portfolio is easy to navigate and consume, catering to different preferences, whether someone wants to skim, explore, or even listen. Like the others, his case studies are minimal and visually driven, with big images and clear sections. He also includes bookmarks at the bottom for quick navigation. Ram's portfolio demonstrates how small details can leave a lasting impression. The lesson we have learned here is infuse your portfolio with personality and thoughtful interactions to make it truly memorable. Finally, let's look at Billy Sweeney's portfolio, which takes personalization to the next level. Billy's portfolio is a brilliant example of designing with the audience in mind, depending on who visits recruiters, engineers, or general users. Billy provides tailored introductions. For engineers, he even includes a technical breakdown of how he built the site, showing he understands their world. Billy shares his principles: useful, considered, beautiful, well made, and elaborates on how they guide his work. It's a thoughtful touch that gives insight into his mindset. By addressing engineers directly, Billy shows he values collaboration and understands the importance of creating designs that are technically feasible. Billy's portfolio highlights the power of empathy and storytelling in design. The lesson learned here is cater your portfolio to different audiences and use it to tell a story about who you are and how you work. These portfolio examples were great, but I'm so excited to share something even cooler. It's called Cofolios. It's a curated collection of portfolio websites from real designers who have landed roles at companies like Meta, Apple, and other top tech giants. Imagine having access to the actual portfolios of people who have been where you want to go. Whether you're dreaming of working at Apple or just want to create a killer portfolio that gets noticed, Cofolio is like your personal cheat sheet. You'll find real examples that show what works, designs, layouts, and storytelling techniques, and you can use them to shape your own portfolio into something unforgettable. This isn't just inspiration, it's a roadmap to building the kind of portfolio that opens doors. So, which portfolio resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs that extra portfolio inspiration. Until next time, keep designing and keep rising.